Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make beef nihari at home easy guide. Start by selecting 2 kilograms of beef shank and marrow bones, rinse and pat dry, then brown in batches to develop color. Use a base of onions, garlic, and ginger, and toast whole spices briefly before grinding. Add water, simmer low, and skim foam often. Finish with nihari masala and a touch of ghee for shine and richness. Begin by toasting coriander, cumin, fennel, and black pepper until aromatic, then grind to a fine powder for your nihari masala. Chop 2 large onions and sauté slowly until deep golden brown, which adds natural sweetness. Crush garlic and ginger into a paste and add to the pan, cooking briefly to remove raw edges. Deglaze with a little water, add the browned beef and bones, then pour in enough liquid to cover everything and bring to a gentle simmer. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more simple guides. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while you slow cook your nihari. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. It helps keep these videos coming, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain a very low simmer so collagen breaks down and the broth becomes silky, which can take 3 to 5 hours depending on your cut. Check and adjust liquid levels, adding hot water as needed to keep meat mostly submerged. Skim impurities and excess fat early for clarity, then continue slow cooking until the marrow softens and meat shreds easily. Stir in nihari masala toward the end, then finish with ghee and a squeeze of lemon for brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.